I think more often than not, I've asked myself this question that what is that one skill that I've acquired that has probably helped me the most in my career and got me to this point? And I feel while obviously communication is a great strength and it's great to be a good communicator, my ability to empathize with people's emotions, which is my emotional resilience, and understand where they're coming from, and being able to just understand why people at times are not on the same page as you and accommodate to their emotions has been my biggest skill. I feel in the day and age of AI where everything is being taken over and everything can be automated, can be done by other folks, your ability to emote, understand other people's emotions, and be emotionally resilient is a superpower, especially in a profession like mine where I'm counseling students and working professionals as a career coach, taking sessions in colleges and corporates, and at the same time creating content for an audience whose needs, problems, wants, and aspirations keep changing with time. It's important that you're emotionally equipped. And I think that every professional must work on this skill and build it through various means. I think a couple of tips that I like to give if you want to become more emotionally resilient. First one is to be non-judgmental, right? If you have to be capable of understanding other people's emotions, you have to invariably be non-judgmental. At the same time, I feel the second thing that you can do, which is a great tip to build a higher EQ, is to also understand and put yourself in the other person's shoes before coming to a conclusion. So I think it's weighing everything first, looking at everything from a 360-degree viewpoint and not just a bird's eye view, and then making decisions. And I also feel that when you practice just being kinder to yourself, accepting situations as they are, but also making the best out of it, you automatically become more emotionally resilient. Let me know what you think of this skill, and let me know in the comments which particular skill has helped you progress in your career. Like for me, it has been my emotional resilience.